Hey guys, if you want to see how I achieve this soft halo look, stay tuned. From my Makeup Revolution palette, I'm using a color very close to my skin tone as the transition shade. From the same palette, I'm going to blend in that light pink into the first transition shade. Though I'm not going for a very bright and bold look, still pack the pink color into the crease until you can see it at least. Now going into the Morphe 350 palette, I'm taking a brighter orange to further intensify the transition color. Now I'm going back into the second transition shade that I used to blend out that orange further so it's not as harsh. Using my other Makeup Revolution palette, I'm using that dusty brown to outline the shape of my eye and the inner corners. Once I'm satisfied with the outline, I'm going to go in my Morphe 350 palette and place the darker color over where I outlined.
I know the method. It's me and you. Guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good. They wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see it. It's me and you.
I am then going to take that shimmery shade I'm pointing to and place it in the center of my eye. I am not using concealer as I want this to be a very soft look. Using the darker color from my Morphe 350 matte palette, I'm going to apply it to my inner and outer corner of my eye so that I can deepen it so that the halo can pop. The color I'm pointing to, I'm placing that right on top of the halo I created because it wasn't popping enough for me, and I magically have on eyeliner. So I won't be talking as much here, but basically I'm going to be color correcting, highlighting, and contouring. So I'm aware that it looks odd that I'm placing my primer on top of the concealer, but I forgot, so just remember to do that first.
I know what you want, you know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Now we're just going to recreate the halo under the eye. So we're going to take the darker color and put it in the inner and outer corners, and then we're going to take the shimmer and place it at the center of the eye.
I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you.
So I'm not really patient enough to wait and bake my face, so I'm actually going to pat the setting powder to where I highlighted, and I find that it works better than when I bake it, and I don't really have that much flashback. And after all that, just brush off the excess, but do it with a light hand because I brushed off my makeup. Oops.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it.
So here's a quick little review. I use that powder to set all over my face because there is absolutely no flashback with that, like, at all.
I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want.
The inner corner highlight is from the Matte Gold Deposit. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this look, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Bye guys!